Yo! What's up, YouTube? All right, gang, welcome in, welcome in. Yeah, hit me up, solid. Yeah, I'll help you out, brother, if you need help. What's up, you guys? Happy Friday. It is Friday, and we are here on gold, and potentially NQ. W. W. What's up, you guys? What's up, you guys? So that's Dan's new nickname. Let's I think it's going to be a good idea to do a quick bit of analysis over here. Let's get a bit of an overview, guys, just to double check where we're at with everything. I might as well delete these lines. I mean, if you're a Forex trader, you should be looking at the Forex chart today. And if you're a futures trader, look at the futures chart, because they're way off. They're way off today and yesterday and stuff. No, I don't have a Telegram. They're way off. So if we look at the weekly is massively pushing up to this weekly level, where on futures, we've only been here 1, 2, 3 times before. And then above that is that one last bit of range before all-time highs. So we're there, man. Like, we tapped into that range. We're edging that bitch. So, I mean, with that being said, right now, my overall view is bullish. How can I reach out to you? Right here. The best way that you're ever going to speak to me, brother, is right here, right now on the chat. Yesterday was super bullish. Today, I mean, don't take this wick into, I don't know what this wick was. It was like some impulsive random thing. 1, 2, buckle my shoe, 3, 4. 4 hour, look at this 4 hour starting to move up. I'm going to put a level here just to pin this, just so I know. Keep pinging that can. 4 hours moving up. Wow, look at this very like even level here on the below. Oh, 30-minute support here. We could push up here and fill this wick to the left. 15. Yeah, nice. Damn, this might take off. Wait, what? Oh, okay, yeah, and the final level's here. Okay, yeah. All right, dope. I mean, buys above. I don't know. I don't see. We'll see what happens. I don't know, but this might just take off here. Buckle my shoe. 3, 4. Yeah, buys above there. What's the range below this? The ranges are quite big today, you guys, so don't get it twisted. You know, we took a buy earlier up here, and these ranges are massive. Big Pez dog. Pez is on a new level out. Pez is on a new level. Pez is currently levitating, astro projecting through infinity. Yeah, this could just keep pushing here. We'll see. No bottom wick. Yeah, that's right. What's your strategy? Just this is gold, Mike. We'll do a bit of an overview on NQ as well in a sec. Hey bro, I got cooked on a trade. I've chucked in the Dissy. Okay, let's have a look at the Dissy in a second here. Three, 4. Fire. So there's nothing we can do right now until this candle closes. Like, it's a bit of a shame. This is a beautiful setup here, how this 30-minute came up and the next one held support here nicely. I mean, with the bottom wick, I would have taken an impulse buy here, but yeah, there's no wick. We might just be moving up here. I might as well pin another level here just to keep an eye on. Got some really nice range and volume here today. How do you get better at trading? I just brought a 20. Nice. I guess the best way to get better is just trade. Show up every day. Honestly, that is the best way to get better. Like, as long as you got a good foundation, the best way to get better is, yeah, just trade. Show up every day. Don't have a day off type shit. Let's have a real quick analysis here on NQ. I'm probably not that interested, but we'll have a quick analysis. You know, weekly's up here. Dailies, whatever. I mean, like, we're moving up. We can definitely just say we're moving up. 4 hour. Ooh, Perry's locking in for a 4 hour type 2 here. Damn, I could see us going down, actually having some sort of pullback. I mean, for now, yeah, we'll see. I don't know about NQ, guys. We'll see. I'm more interested in gold today. I went down to 18K, got back up to 2. What is the best time to have on candles? What is the best time to have? Brother, so Mike, here's the thing, bro. Man, you need a full strategy. Like, you need a full strategy and proven system before you expect consistent results. That's going to be the biggest issue. Remote viewing graphs bedroom, yeah. Yeah, you could kind of see this is going to do something like this, which is okay. Is this range massive? Yeah, look at this. This is already pushed up 80 pips. What we did this morning, you guys, and you guys got to start locking in here as well, is the fact that, I don't know if it's more tariff talk, but the ranges are really big. So the best way to approach that, when I took this buy and I wrote it up to here this morning, is lower your lot size or your contract size, but increase the distances in which you put your stop loss and your take profit. Because these ranges are now a bit bigger, or quite a bit bigger. So in order to counter that, you know, you keep the system the same, but just increase the ranges and lower your contract size to even it out. Yeah, that's going to be the way to approach it. Yo, Paulie, what up, what up, what up? Good to see my brother. Type 2. Oh, you guys are sussing it? Yeah, I don't even know anything about that. I'll leave it to you guys. Last day of the week. What up, History? History is the GOAT. History is the first ever viewer on the stream. Dub. Do you mentor, bro? Yeah, I mentor. I'll tell you what, man. I can die happy knowing that I've successfully helped traders find success. Yeah, I've definitely helped. I can die happy knowing that I've genuinely helped traders out here in these streets. %60 of the course done so far. Gold so far, mate. Nice, Grant. Beautiful, man. And here's the thing. Anyone that's new as well, I'm not even joking, bro. I'm not saying this to be like anal about it, but you've got to go through it like 10 times. Go through it now, jump on the charts, go through it again, jump on the charts. Because as you develop as a trader, you're gonna go back to the course content and be like, oh man, like it's gonna hit differently. Shit's gonna hit differently when you got skin in the game. Wow, look at this, you guys. No bottom wick, London Open, just see you later. I've got, oh, check this out, you guys. I've got $6 to pass these 550K accounts here. That's max top step funding. I've got $6 to pass. I'll show you guys a trade we took this morning on stream on the Asia stream. Wait, we took a buy here? Did we? Why the fuck did we take a buy all the way up there? It's pretty extended. I mean, looking at it now, it looks quite overextended. But anyway, what happened was we found this level of resistance here. This candle broke through. Everything was looking bullish. It retested down, and as it flipped up, took a buy. And this was actually 35 ticks. Took 35 ticks here. Clean. And that's that 170 over these 5 accounts today. There was resistance to the left. Thanks, Mitch. That's right. Yes, that's right. Exactly. Yeah, thanks, Mitch. That's exactly what it was. We were basing it off this resistance here to the left because this was like one of the last resistance levels. So we got a nice break above that. Had this wick here to fill and shit. Yeah. No, that was a good trade. That was a good little buy position we took there. Wow, yeah, that shit fucking just goes past my mind. It's too early in the morning for me. People are like, oh, what trade did you take in Asia? I'm like, I don't even remember, bro. I just woke up. $6, bro. Bro, I'm not even joking. I've been really close to. I've been like $100 away from passing an account in life and still blown it. Yeah, price action shadow. PA, personal assistant. What about gold? Bro. Let's actually have a look at Forex. Pass one yesterday, pass one right now. Nice, Rad. Rat Trades. Change your name to Rat Trades. That's fire. Yeah. See how different Forex looks to futures, you guys? Like two different shits completely. What up, Cottonmouth? Damn, you getting Cottonmouth and try and jump on the charts. That's wild stuff. You probably think you're a wizard with it, all baked and shit, and then you lose a trade and you realize everything's a scam. How long did it take you to pass the account? I started these accounts on Monday. So yeah, this will be my 5th trading day. Yeah, I just did it in 5 days. But I'll be honest. I'll be fair as well. Like I'm on a crazy streak at the moment. I'm not even joking. It's like 13-1. 13-1, I think. And the 1L was I re-entered the same trade and got the W. Yeah, I mean, I think a lot of the guys I think most of us had a really good week this week. Not just wins, but like, yeah, a lot of shit's clicking for a lot of guys here. Like Perry's over here. Perry's just become that guy majorly. Like, he's now got 3 funded accounts over the threshold and eligible for payouts and shit. Like, yeah, it's a lot of the guys are becoming genuine profitable traders. Yeah. I was just $25 to pass right now, touch my stop, and right now I'm 130 away. Fuck, I'm sorry to laugh. But yeah, that's all right, man. Yeah, that's what I'm saying today. I'll probably, I could take a little rat scalp here and lose it and then be down. Who gives a shit? I'll do it Monday or whatever. Psychology clicking, that's fucking awesome, Cash. Yeah, exactly. Psychology clicking. You know, a big part of psychology is also understanding what even trading is. A lot of people think trading is jumping on and winning or losing a trade. It's really not. It's not about today's session. It's about like the overall shits in the long run. You know, I heard a guy say once, he said, trading's the hardest job in the world. It's the only job where you can clock into work for the day and it's like your boss saying, I'm not going to pay you today. Instead, I'm actually going to dock your pay today. All right? Because sometimes you can come into the charts and instead of getting paid, you cannot even leave without getting paid at all. Sometimes the charts will actually, like your boss will actually take money off you. It's like, what the fuck, man? I came here to work and you actually docking me for it. Oh, that's so funny. Yeah, Forex and futures way off. Oh yeah, let's have a look at the DISI. I think some of the cats here threw in some analysis. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Got cooked here. What's this? Is this gold? What time frame is this? Can't see. Let's have a real quick look here, see why I might have got cooked here. Is that futures or Forex? Futures or Forex? Futures or Forex? Yeah, well, I'll find out if it's futures or Forex. It's FX. This looks like it's here. I mean, I was watching this earlier, coming down, brain gone. I'll tell you one thing that jumped straight out is the fact that not a bad play. Yeah, you might have just got cooked. I mean, not the strongest 1 hour candles. I would have had to see that, but just looking like based on just the 15, you might have just got cooked. You might have it just didn't work out, which happens sometimes. I wonder if you may have entered a bit premature as well. I don't know, how did this opening candle open? Did it open then wick up, and was there enough time on the clock and shit like that? Or did it wick down first? If it opened up, wicked up, and there was still plenty of time on the clock, it came down, triggered you in, and then rejected, I think you might have just probabilities just went in your favor. A+ trades don't play out as well sometimes. But other than that, I would have had to maybe see if there was any other nuances. How's your week been, Ari? Good catching up with you the other day, brother. What do you do for work? I'm a exotic dancer. Gold is such a diva. Yeah, that's pretty true. Knew it. What's the watch? Nothing special. Yeah, I'm a brokey, I guess. I feel like I need to get a good watch here in Dubai because everyone's got Rolexes and stuff. But I walked into a male club last night and I thought it was you, just too shy to ask. Started trading the master. W. That's right, yeah, we'll split up those masters, hit one of them, beautiful. I don't know, Amanda, I think depends if are you trading prop firms? The Gold Master. Goldilocks. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream as well, you guys on YouTube. If we can get to 100 likes, I'll drop a 6 sig. I'll drop the greatest sig of all time. GBP rocketing. Tuna toast from Starbucks. I just had a chicken wrap from Starbucks actually. Roulette, yeah. Coin flip strat. 6 USD to pass the challenge. I know, bro. To pass 5 50k bank counts. Actually, no, to be honest, look at this. These ones have 25. For whatever reason, some of these ones some of these ones need 25. I'm pretty sure don't top step pass you anyway if you're in that 100. If you're like 100 away. I swear they pass you anyway, but I'll still do it. Boss, I'm a big fan of you. Malik, I'm a big fan of you too, brother. Thank you for being here. Yeah, let's have a look at NQ. Yeah, that's right. NQ and gold. 9 minutes here. Yeah, if we get a 15 player, yeah, we'll see what NQ wants to do. We'll see what NQ wants to do. It's still got a bit of time on the clock for it to cook something. Yeah, we need that break above for sure. Dream about earning 100k early, then woke up. Yeah, every time I've ever had a dream about being in profits, I've always woken up to being in a loss. Like every time. Hey bro, can you still link Top Step to TradingView? I mean, I'm not sure, but they use this platform called Project X, which is, it's virtually the same as TradingView. It's really user-friendly. Really user-friendly. Great for the whole family. Three, four. Fuck, Blue, you got that song stuck in my head. Is there a reason you trade gold futures instead of Forex? Yeah, I used to trade Forex. I trade Forex on a personal account, which I've been slack with, but yeah, the prop firms that I use are futures prop firms and yeah, futures prop firms. But I got no hate on Forex prop firms. Funded X, yeah, I've been funded with Funded X. Yeah, it was a long time ago though. Thanks for looking at my trade. It wicked up to what I thought would be. Okay. Yeah, it's hard for me because I don't have an overview of what the other timeframes look like at the time. If there were two small body red 1 hour candles prior to that one, it might have been a bit of a red flag. But other than that, it looks pretty good, man. You might have just got cooked. It might have just been a probability. Pre-London as well, which is typically a high volume time. Still paper trade, appreciate it. Oh, nice. Yeah, you're doing it the right way, man. Starting on paper and just getting a feel for it. That's good. That's good. Long story short, from our convo from last night's stream, 5 years in, profitable but not consistent, bad habits picked up over the years, jump between indicators, MMM models, SMC, ICT, I-15-minute auto block, etc., etc. Exactly. We need to break the cycle of death, man. This is the cycle of death of every trader. Find good strategy. Take losses. Panic. Trade change strategy. Thinking that change is going to result in better outcome. Realize you're actually digging a bigger ditch for yourself. Cycle can go on for a very long time to where you actually start becoming delusional. Yeah. That's what happens, everyone. That's why I'm constantly like screaming from the top of the mountain peaks is that like, just lock in on one strat. As long as you know the strat's proven to work, then and then look at it as a long-term thing, not based on a win or loss ratio. You know, I've won, like I said, I'm like 12 or 13 wins to 1 loss in the past week and a bit. And I'm in a neutral state. What if I lost that many trades? You know, if you just got to be like, just let shit play out, because there are series of losing streaks as well that come. But they'll never be as big as the winning streaks, or for my system at least. But it comes in waves, like, and you just have to manage the losses and fucking chill on the wins. Don't ever get too high or too low. Yeah, you don't want to get too high or too low. Bro, I need to see the whole screen. If you want to see the whole screen, come over to YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now. Same name as my TikTok name, Daniel Holmes Trades. You type that into YouTube, you'll see I'm live. Bro, please react, man. What? Yeah, good to hear, Moodgy. Bro, gold analysis? Yeah, I've already done a bit of gold analysis here, so just waiting now. Do you have mentor sessions? I mean, I have mentorship. I don't know. Yeah. Clean price action on the 15-minute and RP is legit the go-to way to trade. Yeah, it's literally the go-to way. Like, I'm so glad that I, from the start, settled down onto this strategy and nothing else. Because here's the thing. Clean price action candlestick analysis is like what the chart has always been and what it will always be. Right? So all the things that we've added in as human beings is to try to like build an edge in the market. And it actually hasn't worked. The statistics of traders finding success hasn't gone up. It's like golfers. You know, like back in the day, they were using sketchy golf clubs. But if you do the statistics of the average golf player's, what's the fucking term when the golfer, you know, the average performance of a golfer hasn't gone up, even though the technology for golf clubs have improved dramatically. It's the same with traders. Handicap, thank you. Yeah, the handicaps haven't gone up over the years. And the same with trading. Like, we just stick to the candlesticks. The candlesticks have always been here and they're always going to be here. So if we can learn to read the candlesticks, then that's the go-to strategy, in my opinion. Does Forex look good? No, it doesn't actually. I'm glad that futures in a bit of a different range than Forex. Raja live. Oh, you spam Raja's comments saying when are you dropping the podcast with Daniel? Spam Raja's comments and fucking say when are you dropping the podcast? Itch Bay. Just finished volume price action analysis. Go to it alongside support and resistance for sure. Price action. Yes, I agree, Aaron. Yep. Make $6 right now. Now, the way I want to make $6 is like take an actual trade. I'll make more than 6, but yeah. Does anyone know that? Isn't it like, don't you technically pass top step combines if you're like this close? I swear I've heard people say that before. Maybe I'm tripping. If Enki closes like this, then we can at least put a level here. Oh, Brett, we've just introduced a lower tier as well for mentorship as well. Anyone that's interested, if you've caught up and you can't afford the top tier mentorship, we've introduced a lower tier. It's not as like one-on-one with me, but it is. You'll still get a lot of the good shit. You pass 7 under and over. Wait, 7 under 30. If you make extra money on the. Nah, I wouldn't go into the master account. Nah. Shibby! I chased $60 on my 100K and lost it. Ah, fuck. I've done that as well, bro. Trust me. I've done it as well. Okay, well, there you go. I don't know where I heard that then. Don't know where I heard that. Filled out the form on Monday. Extreme, have you messaged me on any social medias? Let me know what your email is. Don't write it in the chat and I'll chase it up for you, bro. Yeah, if you just message me on any socials. Commodities ain't finding any support in gold. Commodities. Commodity traders. What's your first deposit in trading? Just buying a FTMO challenge account. Probably. Yeah. Interesting. No bottom wick over here. Let's have a look. Yeah. So with it, I'm not interested in trading in this range on NQ, but I'm very interested in a break to either side. Might as well put a bit of text here on NQ. Any of you guys, there's a lot of you guys trading NQ. I might put a poll here because I'm actually curious. Because that's why I took out of my description on my YouTube videos trading gold live. I just said trading live because I'm like, we're not just trading gold. You guys on YouTube, let me know in this poll here. I'm actually curious. Thanks to you, Dan. I got 6 wins this week out of 7 using your system. Wow, sick. W. Yeah, good way to finish the week then. Solid way to finish the week. Yeah, it's Friday. It's Friday, you guys as well. If this can, yeah, we'll see. What's better, Australia or Dubai? It depends how you want to live life. Like, it depends why and who and what, and yeah, it's all individual, I would say. Tried to get Raja attention, didn't work. Fuck. Instead of going to, you're rubbing off on him? Oh no. Advice for someone who sees a lot of movement, who has learned a lot of strategies and who is troubled staying focused on one action, especially restrict themselves. I mean, you kind of answered your question. I'll tell you what, man, I've mentored and like dealt with a lot of traders before, and something that's reoccurring, and it's not just in the trading space, it's just human psychology, is like you'll verbally describe what your issue is and then ask for advice, which is normal. Like, but any advice, like anything you ever want help with, it's like you kind of answer your own question. Hey, I need help. I keep switching strategies and doing this and that. The advice is stop doing that. Right? There's no other way around it. There's no like, press L4, X1, up 2, down. Like, there's no cheat code type shit. It's just you've just got to stop. You got to identify what the issue is and then say, I'm not going to do that thing anymore. That's all. If this breaks above this level, what is the range to here? Oh, wow. I mean, maybe we could look at this. I don't really like it, but maybe we could look at it. Interesting range that we're in. Yeah, it's pretty ugly. I would love for this to flip red. You know what? I'm gonna leave this here I'll leave it here for now, but I'm not probably going to take that. I would need this. If this can flip and close small body red, I might either take an impulse buy or, a type 2 impulse play. Someone just asked Raja, how do you get better at English? And he's like, just go talk to white people. Yes, exactly, Brett. I agree. Please update gold analysis. Yeah, I look. Just look on the screen. Buys above type shit. Probably 2 years. Cade. Yeah, I'm liking Dubai a lot. Yeah, Dubai's good, man. Dubai is good. Dubai is very good. Best advice I took from you, don't lose more in one day than you can make in one trade. Well, it depends what you mean, because the reality is you should be walking away after 2 losses, right? Oh wow, the overall, there was a massive difference. Most people trade gold, massively. Brother, I want to meet you in Dubai, please. Don't say no. Yeah, but then you put that love heart thing. It looks too zesty now. I'm going to be skeptical and... Australia, but I live in Dubai now. Yeah, we'll see what NQ does. There's volume there on NQ. There is volume. And I'll bring this level up here. W. I'd love to learn from you. Keep sharp to the stream, my dude. Okay, nice. We're getting a good pullback here. This is good. This is good. Nice story. Okay. No, I'm from Brisbane originally. Well, originally, Beanley, and then Brisbane, and then Habibi land. Why are y'all asking buy or sell? Do the work respectfully, brother. Welcome to TikTok. The very first comment I got on TikTok as soon as I pressed the live button was buy or sell, question mark. Made you look like a Don on IG stories? Huh? Oh, Rad, what up, what up? Rad, I think my guys are trying to reach out to you or something. Nah, I mean first comment, Ken. First comment, not first day. Oh, you're in Ormo, nice. Ormo's better than Beanley. Beanley is the fucking pits of hell. Escaping from an Egyptian cell. Pez is a goat. Why? Pez is, I agree, but where did that just stem from? Check Dissy. Let's have a look. Yeah, I know. I was speaking to him before. Insane. Goat status achieved. Pez is going to pull out a fat payout here. Over 3 accounts. Yeah, goat status achieved. You know, Perry was my first ever mentorship student, ever. He was an unprofitable trade. I'm not saying that I'm the guy, but I'm just saying it's like being able to watch how far Pez has gone from like a guy that's never been funded to now getting this is just so cool to see. Big dubs. Massive dubs. Then why do you need a bottom wick to grab that long? Oh, and I didn't necessarily need a bottom wick. I just needed it. I wanted it to be away from this range a bit. Like if it can pull away and then break out after that. Because if it pulls away and then breaks out, it's a big candle that breaks out. If it breaks out from here, then it's a small candle that kind of indicates weakening. Like it's not enough strength there yet. Wow. But fuck all that shit. We're pushing down massively. Yeah, you're at the opposite spectrum of being like, yeah. Any chance to do a live stream with Raj, or if not possible? Yeah, me and Raj will do a live stream for sure, I reckon. Do you play golf, Dan? I don't, but I do. I do. I haven't here, but I want to. Well done, Pez. Yeah, Pez is goated. God's plan is actually crazy how things worked out, man. Yeah, it's so crazy, bro. Definitely God's plan all around, not just for you, for me as well. Yeah, massive W. Very blessed to have, you in the community for this long and been a massive help to a lot of traders, Pez. So massive W's all around. Wow, I think this is a lot of range right here. This candle has dropped. Wow, this is 170 pips, you guys. This 15-minute candle has dropped. It's coming down to drop 200 pips in a matter of minutes. This is phenomenal. How to join your mentorship? I mean, the easiest way, only for those that are genuinely serious, not like Signal Sir people, you go to danielholmestrades.com and you'll see the apply button there, my dude. Taking out positions before international, bro. What? Do you think this candle's alive? Like it has a brain? It's just the value of gold. I mean, I would say, why do you want to go to university? Yeah, massive rad. Crazy, man. That's like pretty much 200 pips. You don't get any notification when you're live? Yeah, you got to smash that bell notification on my YouTube channel. I'm live on YouTube right now. Can we get to 100 likes over here on YouTube, you guys? 74 likes here. Help the algorithm. If I get to 100 likes, the algorithm pushes this video to heaps of really hot chicks. So if you want hot chicks in the chat, we're gonna get to 100, man. Wait, what do you mean? Why? You're in the FOMO area. Oh, you mean a lot of FOMO in the market? People watching this move push down? You know what's crazy? I feel nothing because I know there's nothing I can do until it settles down here for a sec. But I'm glad that it did this because now we've got some range. Yeah, but going to university isn't going to improve your trading skills. Nah, no crypto, bro. I'm not a crypto bro. What do you mean, Brett? Course to play here. Is there a chance we see you make a trade? Yes, yep, I would say there's a chance of that. Yep. I think there's a chance of that for sure. I mean, this very even level, I feel like there's a high probability that we want to break below this. Yeah, I think there's a pretty high probability we're going to keep moving down here. Look at all this clean, untouched traffic here. Who should I watch to start learning how to trade? You're looking at him. I'll teach you how to trade and I'll also teach you how to pick up chicks. Sometimes I send DMs on the stream and they're freaking so... They're such strong DMs. Your boy's a Riz master. Goat status. We have a live goat. You excited, trader? Oh, wait, look at this. And Forex is moving up. What the hell? They're literally going the opposite way. How many people are like, okay, if they're going the opposite way, they're doing the math on, if I take a buy here and this goes up, that means the other one's going to go down. I haven't had a look at any courses at all, Brett. Yeah, I haven't had a look at any yet. Yeah, that's a good idea. I might do that this weekend, just something different, clear, like, yeah, I haven't really done anything since being here in Dubai. It's all been like work. I don't understand the difference. Sometimes moves in the same direction. I know, brother. Neither do I. Some things we're just never going to know, to be honest. Some things we just will never know. What did NQ do here on this closure? Nothing. Yeah, I'm not going to trade in this range here on NQ. I'm going to wait for a breakout. Gold just impulsively pushed down 200 ticks, so we've got to be patient here. And I do believe there's a high probability that we're going to move down a bit more. I think there's I mean, like, so the idea is if we move these, I'll delete this now because it's irrelevant. If we say, yeah, sells below here, cool story type shit. Hang on, let me do this. Let me ask you guys, if this next candle that's red right now goes like this and closes below here like that, and then the next one wicks up and starts to push down, are you going to look at taking the sell below? Are you going to look at taking that sell? Who's going to take that sell? Yes? No. Someone else said hell yeah. No, David, it's overextended. Yes, I would sell. No. Nope. Nope. Weakening. Wait for more green. Shows weakening. Of course. No, need green. Definitely no. Yes. Look, here's the thing. Everyone's different. There's no right or wrong answer, but I'll just tell you based on my system and the way that I trade is that would be considered overextended, and plus it would show also weakening, meaning the candle that's closing below the range is actually smaller than the candle prior. Not only that, you typically will want a green candle. If we move down just one color, 200 pips, you're going to want to like lock it into the chart, right? You want a bit of a green candle and then a break after that. If this were to happen, I'm all in, right? But right now it's just floating. It's way overextended. There's so much of one color, and you like trading's a lot of probability. So if you just say, what's the probability of it being okay with continuing as one color after 200 ticks? So I just need a bit of green before that breakout. Otherwise, it's way overextended, and the stop loss is not safe at all. I don't care about the take profit. All I care about is the stop loss. And right now, if that happened, the stop loss is not safe at all. That bitch will just slide straight back up with no dramas. But if there's a bit of green there, you know, it'll fuck around a bit. Not to say that it can't drop. There's a 100% chance that this can just drop. But it's not safe for me to trade that. That's all. Yeah, I know FX is completely doing the opposite. Yeah. Yeah, anyone, I'll put this Discord link if anyone wants to join the free Discord community. I'll put it in the YouTube chat right now. I'm going to pin it in the YouTube chat if you want to join the free Dissy. And yeah, if anyone's got any analysis they want to throw in the Dissy, we can pull it up and stream and see if you want any feedback on any trades you took or anything like that. You can throw it in the analysis page channel. What's the waiting time of the waitlist? It's actually, I got to take away the word waitlist. It's we're going to just genuinely go straight through applications now. The waitlist guys just got a bit of a different offer than earlier. The cam's a bit blurry. Yeah, I'll fix it after this stream. Unfortunately, I did something to it. Took longs where you put that resistance line. Nice. I'd say that's what we call catching a falling knife. The famous strategy. Check analysis page. You guys check the analysis page. Bro, don't do it to us. Nice. Oh, Welsh Dragon. Catching a fallen knife. Wait, aren't you from Aaron's, mate? Back in the day when I was learning with Aaron, or off Aaron. How much you risk in the challenge phase? It depends, bro. It depends. Oh, yeah, dope. Awesome, man. Good to have you here. That's sick. The dragon has arrived. Swooping in. Big Callum, what up, brother? Sea Dog. Oh, nice. Yeah, this is the ultimate music. This is the ultimate music. That's sick. Hope your trading's been good, bro. Yeah, I hope you've been having a good year so far. Let's see if this 15 can break below, because if this 15 breaks below, the 1 hour would look quite nice, because we've got this 1 hour closure coming up on NQ. Yeah, I don't know. Just is what it is. It's all good. I trade London and Asia, brother. Did we get to 100 likes? Oh, 104 likes. GG's. What chart? You can see in the background, look. Yeah, so far during this London session, we've just had one big impulsive candle drop, nearly 200 bands. Where's all the hotties? You're the hottie. You have to dance. This 4 hour candle has no bottom wick. Oh man, Perry, I've been listening to so much of that Cliff guy. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Jesus was reliable. Pez dances. Pez. Create a new page. P dance. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Cliff connect, can connect or something. Yes. No, sir, I don't appreciate that. Yeah, he's literally the GOAT. He's literally the GOAT. Jesus was reliable. How much account, bro? I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean. Why are you waiting when you only need $6? So Adam, let me ask you this. If I just enter a trade, what makes you think I'm going to win it? I know it's only $6, but what makes you think I'm going to win that trade? Just because it's $6? Or because I somehow, like, all right, think about it. And when I enter a trade, I also get hit with fees, right? I get hit with fees, I get hit with commission. Yeah, but what if it goes one tick the opposite way, Adam? What about when that happens? Then what do you do? YOLO. Yeah, exactly. And that's why you guys are cooked and I'm cheering. Spent 2 years and made zero. Am I stupid? No, you're not. I did the same. Yeah, I did the same. As long as you're making an effort to learn and you understand why that happened and what you need to adjust. Mathematically, just short or long off a new 5 min. There's no such, that's the dumbest thing I've ever heard. Mathematically? What are you talking about? Nice history. Good man. Keeping us grounded. W. Thank you, brother. Why? Bro, you got to change your name from why, because I just say why and then people think I'm asking the question why. Yeah, feels Welsh. Yeah, feels. 1 + 1 = 700. Alright, this hour, what's NQ doing? This is interesting. Please be down. If she's down, I'm down. Syndrome. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. I can pass it for you, Daniel. Yeah, nice. Sure thing, buddy. Yeah, 100% Pez. Looks like it's bitching it a little bit. Nah, no one's watching you. Why? No one's watching you, bro. See the Vaseline on your webcam, huh? What's a good US Australian broker? I'm going to tell you what I think is, and you're not going to do anything about it, but it's called CMC Brokerage. CMC Broker. Because the reality is, they're all the same. You just put money in and trade, right? It's all the same. It's like being like, bro, what's the best bank account to start to, when I get a job, I'm going to like tell the employer to pay it to this bank account. And it's just like, just any, bro. They're all just fucking. You, great man. I've got to meet you. Oh, I've got to meet you. I might gather some numbers soon and see, and do some sort of meetup in Dubai soon. Oh, look at this on NQ. I might be interested here. Yeah, I'm going to be interested on NQ. Stay down. Stay down. Yeah, I'm going to look to strap up here on NQ, I think. Let me just do another overview on NQ. Damn. Honestly, it looks like it could melt. 30-minute break. Yeah, I'm going to put a sell stop here. I mean, I only need fucking $6, but I'll do it like a normal trade, I guess. I have a question. I'm hesitant to take trades on even on a demo account. Yeah, it's because you don't have a system yet. You got to know your system. You have to have a clear strategy. Discord links pinned in the chat up there, brother. Bank of Queensland shit, Westpac is a bomb. Bro. Account, money goes in account, no difference, right? Just put money in. Nah, bro, I put mine in because there's, you know, over 10 years, my $200 goes up to 200.001. It's all good, bro. I call dog syndrome. Wait, what? MC just pops up from the dead every now and then. What up, my brother? If gold breaks below this level down here now, I'm definitely interested. Like this? Yeah, that'd be sick. I think that'd be pretty sick. Consolidation, Nate. Like the 1 hour looks so ugly on futures. Wow, NQ massively just rejecting here. But what I've noticed with NQ, like you see this and you're like, oh, I guess the trade's over, and then it just massively flips down. But now it's really fucking kind of leaving now. I mean, we'll see. I'll give it a bit. Like, look at all these candles. Like, they all started like that as well, right? Big wicks, and then it just flips down. But yeah, this is definitely taking the piss a bit. Forex is moving up. I know, it's weird, hey. Massively moving up. And futures is moving down. Yeah, because the stop loss is fucking through the moon. I mean, we'd have to just kind of put it back in this range. Yeah, it's... Alright, we're cooked. I'm going to delete this order. Holy man. Don't worry about us, man. We didn't want to take a sell. All good. It knew that I had a massive sell order there and it didn't want to... You know, that if that order gets triggered, I basically crash the market. Oh, you're from Queensland? Nice, brother. Good to have you here. What up, Keefe? Yeah, gonna see what NQ's got for us then. I mean, gold. NQ just fucking massively ran away. I mean, we've got to think about it as well, like, what if NQ breaks above? I mean, it's breaking above from support though. That's a bit of a red flag. Any sort of customer service and loans? Yeah, fair enough, fair enough. Yeah, gotcha, bro. You just answered your own question, Christopher. If you have like, oh, I feel like this is the reason why, it's definitely the reason why. Bro, you are more a clown than a trader. And you're in a chat talking to somebody that you don't know. So how about you suck me off? Yeah, I'm staying in Dubai for good, bro. Are you in Brisbane? No, I'm in Dubai, but I'm from Brisbane. Seven in the middle. Yeah, I guess we'll see what happens, man. I kind of want to pass these challenges today. Now the close below lines is just kind of like this level that's been massively respected, but more importantly, it's just a level where the closest 15-minute candles have closed side by side. Yeah, so now if a candle can close below that, I know that this level is now going to be respected and might be able to get a push down to there. Who's gonna make the children grow? Are you buy, bro? No, I'm sell. Yeah, what a shame. NQ was looking so fucking nice for a good sell there. Yeah, I know, Mitch. We kind of just impulsively moved down here on gold. Now we're kind of working the way back up. What's the 4 hour and Forex? Starting to push up here. But see, this is what I'm saying. Like, I started these combines on Monday and just slowly each day take a trade or two, work the way up. Don't force anything. Don't wait for any trades. Don't wait for any. I mean, wait for the proper trades, and it's really just the way you got to do it. You just be patient. Like that kid that's like, you don't even trade, you just clown or whatever. It's like, do you think that guy's profitable? Right? I think we already know the answer. It's like, nah. Profitable traders know that it is a waiting game. You just wait for your setup, and if it doesn't come, then you learn to do shit. Massive respect for streaming on YouTube. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, every day to this day. Swaggy D, what up, Roddy G? Yesterday we lost waiting for your setup, but lost after your setup. Bro, what are you talking about? I didn't take a trade. I didn't have a trade yesterday. I was waiting for a setup, but nothing happened. Nothing, no setups arose. Yeah, Andrew, just if you go to danielholmestrades.com, you'll see there, you can apply there. Yeah, once that comes through, we'll have a look over it and see if it's the right fit, etc. Patience is key. Exactly, Rad. Yeah. Yeah, don't blame anyone for your losses. Like, what the fuck? What do you... It's like, yeah, bro, we lost after your setup. Like, I didn't take a trade yesterday, stupid. How to avoid fake breakouts? I mean, there's a lot of things you can do. A couple of like quick tips is if it breaks below but the overall trend is moving up, just know that you're kind of you're selling against the overall trend, so there's a probability it's going to reject up. You know, another thing is if it breaks out without a bottom wick or a very little bottom wick, there's a high probability it's just going to reject back up into the range, just like what happened here on NQ. All right, see how that broke out with, I guess there was a bottom wick, but not much. And just rejected back up. And the third thing is, you know, if it were to break, like, see what I said before as well on NQ? I said, well, even if it breaks above, I can't be interested because it moved all the way from support. So if you get a break above a key level, but it moves all the way from support and breaks above a key level, and it breaks above resistance, there's a higher probability that it might like fuck around for a sec and then come back because there's just too much range. Just one candle, one color. Yeah, you're typically gonna need to wait for like a red candle to print outside that range or something. And then you can look at taking some sort of impulse after that. Bro, you spamming the chat, my dude. Appreciate it. Got you, man. No worries. Hey, man, I just knew recently your setup. It's working well. Awesome, man. Yes, Cody. Good man. What to do with the candle? Oh, what was he actually asking? Bro, you can ask that again, Hustler, but it has... I'm pretty sure that was the dude that was trying to roast me yesterday, but you can ask it again, but don't do it in capitals and fucking 10 times. Graph was already all over it. You guys, I think we need some C4, man. Gold really did us dirty here by this big drop. Big 200 impulsive drop, and now it's just chilling. More caffeine. I've already had 3 coffees today, so this will technically be my 4th. I called that buy, lol. He called it! He called it! There was someone giving signals and we all missed it. God damn it! Fuck! Because I missed that signal, I'm going to have to drink some of this C4. How's the tap water in Dubai? I don't fuck with the tap water. Oh my god, I nearly fucking exploded then. Holy shit. Man, C4 and coffee, bro. I've had 3 coffees. One of them was a large one from Starbucks, and now this. I might actually die today. Or I might be firing on all cylinders. Dan, you look like Lizzie. Let me have a look. Apparently I look like this person. Bro. What? I thought you were being serious. Fucking hell. Sorry, Lizzie person. It's not that. It was more of a jump scare. I don't mean to be disrespectful to her, but it was more of a jump scare. Please do 10 push-ups. I have to actually quickly do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. God, you can't just drop 200 pips and then just fucking sit there like that. Honestly. If NQ breaks above here and then creates a bit of support, that'd be good. Half reps, bro. Wow, if you're a Forex trader, this is setting up quite nicely. Wait. Oh, it's a 4-hour candle. Fucking hell, I was going to say, sorry. Ignore that. Actually, it kind of is. I'll be taking an impulse buy at the break at this level here, filling this wick. Damn. Yeah, I'd be looking at, if you're a Forex trader, I'd probably be looking at an impulse buy at the break of this red wick here. To fill this range up here at least. As long as it stays above that level. Above this range here. Really? Let's see if we can hold above. What tool do you use to check the pips? There's a little ruler thing over here to the left. It's a picture of a ruler. You just drag it. Had to say it. Why dog someone on a falling knife analogy? Yeah, I'm sorry, bro. I don't mean to dog you. Yeah, it's all good, brother. How often is good make back tests on a week? Not too often. You don't want to spend too long doing it. So see what all the signs are here for this being a fake out. It moved from support, it broke with no top wick, and it's going against the trend. Oh no, it's not really going against the trend, but... And this will be the one that absolutely just flies. But if this could, let's say this comes up, creates a bit of a top wick, but then it comes back down and closes small body red like that. Yeah, I'm going to look at taking an impulse buy after that, I think. I think that's a decent idea. Because feminism is a problem. If gold wants to potentially flip red here, and we could look at taking a sell as well. Oh, you can just hold shift? Wow. My whole life, I'm the shittest trader. I didn't know this. You can just hold shift and measure the range. Is that the same with TradingView? Wow. Yeah, I'm a fake trader. Damn it, I knew it. That impulse buy scenario is not looking so hot now. It closed too strong red. So you learn something new here every day. Blowing accounts for fun? That's... No, it's not. You're not blowing accounts for fun, brother. Let's be honest. Yeah, we've really got to... I know sometimes you blow an account and you just like, all you can do is feel like you can just laugh about it, but yeah, you really want to learn from those accounts. You really want to learn from those mistakes. Yeah, we need to watch Jack instead for sure. Didn't know that. Good job. JD Trades, yes sir. For your latest tips, tricks, and fucking dicks, go to JD Trades. The profit target is $6 away here. Yeah, $6 over 5 accounts. Some of these are actually $25 away. So yeah, just looking for one little rat scalp here. Dude, you never take a trade when you're live, bro. Get a life. Literally find a life and then get it. That's the biggest thing you're going to need to do moving forward. What are you talking about, Young Kong? That's not true. Young Kong? Coin flip $6? Yeah, I might have to, last resort. I'll put it this way, I'm passing this challenge by the end of this stream, even if it is a coin flip. And that is giving a really good example to newer traders of how to be a degen. Then what do I do if candle breaks the range and closes above or below support or resistance, but the next candle without making a bottom wick moves in that direction? Yeah, you have to stand down, brother. You're gonna have to stand down. There are circumstances in which you can take it, but on a typical breakout, you're gonna have to get really good at being willing to let a trade just keep going in that direction if you don't get that wick. I typically say it like this: when you're looking for a breakout, you know, you have like a checklist of like 5 things. Did it break out? Is it going with the trend? Is there volume? Blah, blah, blah. And there's typically like 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 things. Maybe if there's, let's say there's 8 ticks you need and 7 of them are there, but 1 of them isn't, you know, you can still take it. But one of the biggest ones, some of these ticks are more important than others. And one of the biggest ones is, well, non-negotiable ones is there a retest? Like, does it have a top wick? And if the answer is no, in most cases, you just have to stand down, and you have to get really good at standing down. I'm at a point now where I feel nothing. If I don't get it, and it keeps going, I'm just like, yeah, I'll just be a robot, because it's happened. I've been trading this strategy for years. You just understand it's a part of the game. Bro's literally here for free and people are still buying, bro. It's fucking crazy, eh? Do you feel like it's a waste of setup if you just... No, if I get a setup here, I'm only doing it. I could have passed this today already. I wanted to do it on stream, so I wanted to see if I could jump on London and actually give out okay, I shouldn't say it because I don't like to get in the mindset of I'm trading because I want other people to get a dub. But I did say I wanted to jump on stream, and if I get a trade set up, you know, I'll take it as if it was a normal trade, but really low size. So if other people want to trade it as well, they can just, you know, use their normal size. Gold at the top of the month. Yeah, we're really edging those highs. I don't know what you mean, Young. I don't know what a 3-bar breakout is. Finn, I use the 15 instead of the 5 or 1. I actually use all the higher time frames, but sit on the 15. But the 5 and the 1 candle closures are really important to me. And if I get candles closing outside of ranges on the 1 minute or the 5 minute, it's not a strong enough confirmation for me. Even the 15 is not the strongest confirmation. A 30-minute closure is a strong confirmation. So yeah, that's the reason. Those lower time frames aren't like strong enough confirmation that, you know, we're holding a certain level or pushing in a certain direction. 40 minutes, new vlog popping up. Okay, dope, Mitch. Big Mitch. NQ's flipping. Nice. Yeah, if it can hold above this level up here, I'd love to see a fucking bit of a top wick here. Alternatively, bro, there's been one fly in my house for a week. I thought it'd be dead by now. It just literally landed on my fucking eye. Bro, a fly just landed on my eye. How did it do that? It's been in here for a week. Yeah, if this can hold like this, I might look at taking an impulse after. I swear to God, a fly just landed on my fucking eye. What a psycho, bro. What an absolute psycho fly. Lunatic. Sebastian, it's just because I trade prop firms. The prop firms I trade are futures. I used to trade Forex. I still do on personal account. You don't know a 3 Bleezy? No, I don't know a 3 Bleezy, bro. I know, what a fake trader, right? No one knows, Kieran. There's no such thing as that. Yeah, no one knows anything. It could push down for all we know. Dubai flies built different, bro. Dubai flies are built different, bro. Kill the fly, bro. No, I don't want to kill it. I've been trying to catch it and fucking put it outside. Bro, just pass the account. Okay, bro. I'll just click the pass the account button. Right? I'll just click that button. Did you guys know that? When you're trading a challenge account, you can just pass it. Fuck me. You fucking donkey. You sandwich. Just do it. Yep, create a top wick, create a little top wick, then reject back down and close small body red. Don't be a bitch about it. Alternatively, gold's fucking looking really juicy here. Potentially. There's no advisable time frame, Barry. It's about what your strategy tells you. You missed that button on your account? Yeah. Yeah, it's hidden. It's hidden in the settings. Bro, rage baiting with $6. Bro, if you want to pass, just open one micro with 5 tick take profit and type pip stop loss. It's closed impulsive. Hey, brother. But what about when it moves to the 5 pip stop loss instead of the 5 pip profit? Did you think about that? Like, nah, no Prop XP account. Yeah, call it a day, abuser. It's a Friday. You got the weekend to assess what could have gone wrong and come back Monday stronger. $6, bro. Don't be a wuss about it. Yeah, but then I open that and then it hits my stop loss. Now I'm down $20 plus fees, $30. Shit, now I've got to do a bigger lot size to get the next trade. Like, if it was so easy, bro, then you would be a multiple funded killer trader, but you're not. No, it closed every time in profits. Bro, come on, man. I don't know what's wrong with you guys. Is it legal to goon in Dubai? I don't know. Yeah, I guess you wouldn't want anyone to find out. Do you have any advice for people trying to pass a challenge? Yep, just stick to your trading rules. 1 to 2 trades a day, and that's all. Buy or sell. Aaron, Aaron, I was just saying, Dragon was in here before, and I was saying, fuck, I remember you when I was in Aaron's community. Welsh Dragon. I was like, fuck, I remember him from back in the day. I was like, dope. Sick. The African Americans. Hillary's a criminal. Yeah. Now gold's pushing down a bit. Fry City. The Secret Welsh Dragon, yes. Yeah. Eat, sleep, trade, goon, repeat. What up, Harold? And Kumar? That was a dope movie back in the day. No, I don't trade with FTMO anymore, no. Oh, nice. You switched over to futures? Yeah, cool, man. Yeah, futures is good. Is you real? No. Whatever you... There's no amount you should risk per trade. You just got to figure it out. I don't know. It depends on the account size, your experience, like all sorts of shit. Yeah, we're in a tricky spot here, man. 30-minute closures coming up. Start a kick channel, bro. Step your game up, traders. Nah, I'm not going to start a kick. There's no benefit for me to start a kick. Most people start kick accounts because they want to make money through kick, because kick pays more than others. But I really don't give a fuck about making $20 on a kick stream. Thank you, Top D. Yeah, I might still potentially look at NQ over here. Yeah, I know, I fucking did something to my camera. I'll fix it. Yeah, I'll have to fix it today. I accidentally touched, yeah, this autofocus thing. It's annoying. Wow, this 4 hours on futures still has no bottom wick. It might be flipping here. Yeah, I really wanted this candle to fucking close red here. I mean, it's a Friday as well. We don't need to force anything, man. Whoa, there's no need to force anything. I might force a trade here. Yeah, I might force a trade. $6 away sucks. Yeah, I might force a buy. We'll see. All this caffeine's kicking in a wrong way. Having a fucking heart attack. Yeah, it's pretty obvious that gold kind of wanted to gravitate down here. Gambler? Yeah, I know. 30-minute breakout as well. Yeah, I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not mad at it. Do you aim one-on-one all the time? Yeah, a lot of the time it tends to be like that. So actually my accuracy increased because of your videos. But oh, nice, abuser. Good man. That's good. Getting some value out of it. Oh, no, no, no. That'll be me after I blow this account at $6 away. Oh, no, no. How much did I lose here? Would you have to top tick not make enough $6? Bro, you are obsessed with this $6 thing. Like, you seem to be so optimistic about it all. It's like the reality is I know I could have done it, but I wanted to do it as if I was taking a normal trade. Yeah, futures and forex are way off today. And yesterday, actually. Do you have a YouTube channel? Yep, I'm live there right now. Same name as my TikTok name. David Holmes Trades. Tori will be impressed that you're doing it. Today not good to trade? Why not? Demi pussy. Trade, son. Wow. Wonder if NQ is going to come down. I mean, gold's going to come down and fill some of this range down here. Crazy how many fake count. Yeah. Yeah, I know. See if NQ can pull up here in the next couple of minutes. Chocolicious, what up, what up, what up? Good to see you, my dude. Is it wise to copy trade? If you're a consistently profitable trader, yes. If you're not, that means you're just going to lose like 5 times what you were planning to lose. Yeah, I wouldn't do it unless you're like real consistent. It's not, it's, yeah. You want to get consistent first. Yeah, any gold traders that trade gold futures, like especially this London session, it's a bit lame. Like no real like clear opportunities presented just yet. Like it's been pretty obvious to understand the direction, but in terms of like structural opportunity to actually enter, it's been a bit shit. What do you think about the Forex? Nothing? I don't think anything. London market's usually manipulated? Yes, there is a puppet master manipulating London specifically. Looks good, but I am an Arab and I don't understand English well. Yeah, just learn English then. I would say just try and learn in English. Oh, look at this. Okay, looks like I'm in a trade. Looks like I'm in a trade. Why don't you learn Arabic? I'm not the one that was going to Arabic streams asking about it. If I was going to Arabic streams, I would be. I can see the future. This is still be trade. Oh, it'll probably cook me. It wouldn't be the first time. It won't be the last. Holy shit, gold. Just in this London session alone. 220 pips. Insane, man. Bro should have said it. Bro, you were like the ultimate backseat driver this whole day. Yeah, I know. I could have got $6 on it easy. I'm just doing it to try and take an actual trade, not to try to get it funded by a cheap win. Yeah, I could have already done some like gamble trade. If this loses, I'm a failure. I might as well just revenge trade and blow the whole account. Stop. 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 Don't you drop another motherfucking pip. I will find you and I will kill you. Yeah, this isn't looking very good. Winning with integrity. I don't even know. The market makers know I'm in a buy position. Yeah, I think I'm cooked here. Usually happens at the end of a thing. If you did a sell, you would have won. Give me straight thought. Check gold, okay. Yeah, gold's just doing this. I've got bigger fish to fry over here. I see you're losing it. Yeah, something like that. Inverted Daniel home strat. Yeah, give it a crack. I mean, I'm on like a 13-1. It's honestly like a 12 or 13-1 win to loss streak at the moment. So you got to lose sometimes. The king of rage bait. How's you and Tory trades? I'll tell you when it comes to reality. If you did a sell, you would have. That's actually a goated comment. Add more above the wick. Why? Oh my god, bro, I'm on too much caffeine, honestly. Stop. Stop right there. Stop. If I lose this trade, if you stop, I'll marry you. Come up here. Come on. I know you're alive. Yeah, I think I'm cooked, chat. If I lose this trade, I'll blow the entire accounts. If I lose this trade, I'll hang out for a bit and see if I can get one more set up. It was a bit of a risky trade. Yeah, heavily cooked. Actually, I know how to not get cooked. Let me just move my stop all the way to 0. Can't win them all? Yes, that's right.
Order filled.
No! No! I needed that trade, man. I fucking needed the money, bro. I needed the money, man. Alright, I'm going to wait around. I'm going to see if I can get one more set up. I'm going to see if I can get one more set up. And revenge trade. How much did you lose, bro? I don't know. I don't know. Whatever my account says up here now. I love you too. I'm a loser. I'm a failure. I'm a fake guru. Yeah, gold doesn't want to marry me. Yeah, I'm going to see if I can get one more trade here. And see if I'm going to pass it one more time. If not, it's all good. Regardless, I'll finish the day green. Regardless, the account's already passed. Like, I'm passed. I'm just trying to get a decent fucking trade. Took a loss too, yeah. I mean, it's not a bad trade. It was a little bit risky, I guess, but I was willing to risk it, obviously. Can't win them all, though. Yeah, can't win them all. Maybe in hindsight, take it at the break of that previous week, but that was too high. Some fucking idiot here said, my win rate's 91%. I told you not to take the trade. Okay, brother. Okay, fucking Forex _ Greg. You're still in? Yeah, I was nearly gonna drag my stop down a little bit, but yeah, I think you cooked regardless. Yeah, bro, you need a strategy? I know, bro. You got any spare strats? Got any spare strategies, bro? Please, please. Yeah, I'll see if I can get one more banger over here. I mean, the reality is, yeah, I've been on a crazy win streak. Statistically, you're going to fucking take a loss. In the Dissy? Oh. Statistically, you're going to take a loss. You know what? After a loss, I'm going to change my entire strategy. I'm going to completely change everything because, nah, that's not fucking cool, man. I'm a swing trader now. Yeah, we're moving down a ton here. This is crazy. We'll see what happens. Thank you, Inyat. Who cuts your hair, your grandma? Young. How about we see a photo of your hair? Post your hair in the Discord. How about you do that? Yeah, I'll hang out here for a little bit longer, see if we can get another setup. See if we can get another setup here. If not, I'm chilling. If not, I'm $46 away from financial freedom. No, I don't only do breakouts, bro. I do a couple of things. Yeah, I do a couple of things. Yeah, and Kia manipulated the market on us. I knew I should have dragged my stop loss to 0. Then can I ask how you grew your audience? I've just started using YouTube Journal for myself. I really like to grow audience. I mean, I never really had the intention to do that. I just showed up and clicked record. That's all it was. I never posted live streams. Yeah, I would say just live streaming is probably one of the best ways because you can just, if people are interested, they'll show up and stuff like that. I think, yeah, live streaming is a good way. Oh wow, Jake, you've been here since Jan. Awesome, man. My man. I'll let these candles close. If something can show up in these next candle closures, I'll G up. But if not, I'll probably call it a day because my neck's hurting. Over again, don't make me change my mind. Chirper. Get a fucking hidey now. Yeah, I think I'm pretty happy with that trade, to be honest. I would take that most days. There's obviously some shit that's not ideal, but multiple retests, close back up above the range. Yeah, you can't win them all, man. If you don't pass these accounts, you get in a fucking hidey now. I mean, they're already passed, like, let's be honest. Nah, my watch is nothing special. Depends what type of living you want to live in Australia. Depends what kind of way you want to live. Like, you can live even in Dubai, you can live in Dubai on like a normal minimum wage or whatever. But it just depends what quality of life you want to live. If you just want to live minimum wage somewhere, you might as well just move to like Bali or something. You're gonna have a better quality of life for that. Because shit is more expensive. Shit is more expensive here as well. Both young, both. It depends on NQ, depends what accounts I'm using and stuff like that. Does Dubai actually have nice women over there? What do you mean by nice? Like as in hot, or actually like genuinely nice? There tends to be a ratio here. The hotter they are, the more like escort ratio starts to come up. I don't know. I'm trying to find the normal chicks. I don't know where they are though. I'm still too new. Yeah, I'm too new. But yeah, man, in terms of taking losses in trading, get used to it, my guys. Trading is a brutal game. It can be brutal if you allow it to feel that way. Like you have to, that's why it takes so long to manage your emotions in trading. But this is a dog eat dog world, right? You have to get really good at managing your accounts and understanding that the market takes money and it gives money. If you play the game right, it gives you more than it takes, but it will take your money. It's a part of the game. How many TikTok accounts do you have, Master? You calling me Master? Fucking hell. I love you too, Forex. Yeah, just general shit's more expensive, yeah. Yeah, the trade I took today was a break above here and then a push up here and then another one on NQ. Just before. Provide an absolute banger on Wednesday. Bro provides absolute bangers every day. Every day. You only need $6 to pass? Yeah, that's once upon a time. So we've got 2 minutes here. We'll see what happens, man. 2 minutes. Two mins. Second chance on NQ. Maybe. If it can push up, maybe. Yeah, if this 15 can break above this level, and the 30 basically does exactly the same setup I was looking for, but on the 15, but it's on the 30. Yeah, I might be interested in giving it a second chance. Nah, I fucking hate trading pre-New York. I stay in the market always equal. I make big win, but then I lose with lots of small losses. What do I do? Stop taking small trades after you've already taken a win. When you win, just walk away. You answered your own question. I know, Pez. Massively. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's the hour closure as well. Wowzo. African Americans. Wow, I'm surprised you could say that word, Young, on YouTube without it blocking it. Yeah, I need to get some sort of red light glasses or something. The fuck is this shit? So that failed below, this failed here. Do you cook your own meal? Unfortunately, I do, yeah. I don't know, you guys. I mean, a buy off this would be sick, but it's very likely going to continue down. Round 2 on NQ. It just didn't... I would have been interested, but like it looks nice on the 30, but on the 15, it doesn't. I don't like how it looks on the 15. Like it'll probably push, but yeah, there's nothing there for me on the 15, unfortunately. You're still holding? What? You're holding the NQ play? Fucking hell, okay. Alright, this is my last candle. If nothing rocks up on this candle, then I'm quitting trading or something. Like, what do you think the probability is that gold isn't going to fucking tap into this level though? Very low. Whether it happens now or I don't know, maybe it wants to go up and then, you know, I don't know. I'm starting to become like delusional. Too much caffeine. Oh wow, a lot of you guys are still holding, okay. Well, if you're still holding, WSIG. No, I haven't tried Germ 40. What up, Bruce? How to buy at the bottom. Get up fucking Heidi now. Oh yeah, I might have to cruise this surely. I've got some one-on-ones coming up. Yeah, I'm gonna head off, guys. I've got some one-on-one meetings coming up with some of the mentorship cats. Amazing week. I've had an amazing week. I don't know about you guys. Hopefully you've had an amazing week, whether you've won, lost, or draw. Do the analysis, whatever needs to be tweaked. We can tweak it coming into the next week. But appreciate you guys showing up. Love you guys, and I'll see you back on Monday for the London stream. The London stream. Thanks, guys. Appreciate yous. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace and prosperity. See you again.